Have you ever wondered how to transform your outdoor space into a stunning environment? Welcome to the fascinating world of landscape design, where creativity meets nature, and the possibilities are as endless as your imagination. Today, we're taking you through a journey of transformation. From a mere patch of grass to a breathtaking outdoor oasis, every space has potential. The key is to unlock that potential using the right design techniques. The first step in any successful landscape design project is to understand your space. Take note of the size, shape, and existing features of your area. How does the sun hit your garden throughout the day? What type of soil do you have, and what plants will thrive in it? Knowing your space inside out is the foundation of effective design. Next, start conceptualizing. What is your vision for your space? Do you imagine a tranquil retreat, a vibrant gathering space, or a productive vegetable garden? Your vision will guide your design choices, so take time to dream and envision your ideal outdoor space. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to plan. Draw up a layout that incorporates your existing features and your desired additions. Consider the balance between hardscapes such as patios, paths, and walls, and softscapes like grass, trees, and flower beds. Remember, balance and harmony are the soul of landscape design. Now on to the most exciting part, selecting your plants. Choose a diverse mix of species that will provide interest throughout the year. Consider not only the flowers, but also the foliage, bark, and berries. And remember, plants are living things that grow and change, so leave room for them to flourish. With your plan and plants in place, it's time to start creating. Whether you're doing it yourself or hiring professionals, remember to take it one step at a time. Landscape design is a process, and patience is key. Don't rush it. And finally, once your design is complete, remember that your outdoor space is a living, breathing entity that requires care and attention. Regular maintenance will ensure your garden remains beautiful and thriving for years to come. To recap, the steps to successful landscape design are understanding your space, conceptualizing your vision, planning your layout, selecting your plants, creating your design, and maintaining your space. Each step is vital and contributes to the overall success of your project. Remember, landscape design is an art, and like any art, it's highly personal. What matters most is that your outdoor space reflects your personality, meets your needs, and brings you joy. So go forth, design, create, and transform. The world of landscape design awaits you. We hope you found this guide to landscape design both informative and inspiring. Now it's your turn to put these steps into action and create your own beautiful outdoor space. But before you go, we have a small request. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future content. Your support means a lot to us and helps us produce more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of our community. We can't wait to see what you'll design next.